Today in this video, I'll explain Pacsun's return policy in detail. We'll cover returns for all items, how the policy works with or without a receipt, what happens if you don't have tags, and returns after 30 days. Let's get started. Returning in-store purchases. If you bought an item in store, you can return it to any Pacsun store within 30 days. Cash App, Catch, and Venmo purchases can also be returned in store, but will be refunded as store credit only. For a refund to your original payment method, you must return by mail. Swimwear cannot be returned in store. Returning online purchases. For online orders, you have 3 options. Return in store for free at any Pacsun location. Return at a Happy Returns bar for a fee of $4.95. Return by mail for a fee of $10. Online purchases can be returned up to 30 days after the ship date. Returns with a receipt. If you have your original receipt, returns made within 30 days will be refunded to your original payment method. After 30 days, you'll receive a merchandise credit instead of a refund. Returns without a receipt. Pacsun does not accept returns or exchanges without a receipt, invoice, or order confirmation. If you've lost your receipt but your purchase is linked to your Pacsun rewards account, store staff may be able to look it up. Returns without tags. All items must be in original condition, meaning unworn and with tags attached, unless noted otherwise. If tags are missing, Pacsun reserves the right to decline your return. Returns after 30 days. If you return an item after 30 days, you'll receive a merchandise credit even with your original receipt. Purchases made with a gift card or a gift receipt will also be refunded as merchandise credit. Holiday Extended Return Policy. During the holiday season, there's an extended return window. Items purchased between 1st November and 14th December can be returned until 15th January. Purchases made outside of these dates follow the standard 30-day policy. That's everything you need to know about Pacsun's return policy. Whether you're returning items with a receipt, without tags, or after 30 days, now you know the rules. For more details, check the screen or pause the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful updates. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.